this is all the hype. Everybody that I've known is saying you got to be there. So we showed up, and I guess everybody else in the area showed up too. It's great.
Oh, I'm here to celebrate the grand opening of a beautiful facility here in Richmond. It's windy outside and rainy and warm in here and no wind, and lots of people enjoying the beautiful sport of pickleball.
Just play like off and on, like probably about a year. It's pretty fun, just like a relaxing sport.
Just looking for something to compete in besides like basketball, softball. Think I'm getting a little older for that, so I decided to pick up pickleball, and I've played probably like 2-3 hours a day on most days for like a year, so I'm enjoying myself. I'm addicted.
The hardest part about playing pickleball,
being patient. I'm not very patient, so I gotta learn to control myself.
Probably just finding places to play, to be honest.
Learning the strategy and I think learning to be a better player.
Patience. Patience, and I would say also footwork and learning strategy.
And sticking to the principles.
Yeah.
recognizing that I'm 62 years old and that I just can't get to every ball.
The hardest part about pickleball is learning the rules.
When people slam it.
It's a sport that can be very competitive.
And if you like competition, it can be friendly competition, and you can stack it up all the way to where you feel like you're almost a pro.
Yeah, it's also a sport that can facilitate a sort of friendly activity.
The community is phenomenal.
It is a community sport.
Being on a court with an 80-year-old person, an 18-year-old person, and having everybody talking with each other, giggling, laughing.
Pickleball is more community-based, a lot more fun, I think. An opportunity to play with people at different levels, both men and women at different ages.
It's good for commerce too, because when you have 60, 75 people here, they get hungry, they get thirsty, guess where they're gonna go? They're gonna go to the local breweries or restaurants and help the economy here.
I love the game. I love the social aspects of it. I love meeting people, the networking of the game, learning from people that have stronger games and so forth. It's really a social sport.
I just retired and I enjoy playing with people I never would have met normally.
The best part is when you get a really high overhead snap.
Personally, the best part is that I've lost weight, 70 pounds.
The best part about playing is having actually a volley going back and forth for a while. That's really fun. A bunch of us who use wheelchairs have been playing pickleball for a year or so as part of VORP Sports and Recreation program in Berkeley.
Second chance!
And so when we heard about this, we decided to come over and see if we could, play here too. So they're being real nice about it and giving us some lessons here right now.
Pickleball is the most wonderful thing in my life. I have met so many amazing humans, and it is necessary for my mental health and movement and just general enjoyment of life and friends.
This is such a great facility. You've got a view of San Francisco and the Bay Bridge.
I think it's one of the healthiest things for our communities. It brings people together, it's fun, and you move, and that's the best. It can't get any better than that.
Great workout, and you can play it into your 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s as I plan to do. Come on down and join us. Woo-hoo!